Ithanduku riria rigukuaga mubango wa mathabu ma thirikari guoko-ini, Minister Henry Rotich arangaja afisi yake arorete mbunge ya bururi. Mbere ya mbunge ya bururi atengemania mbajeti iria ni nene biũ bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya ya muigana wa ciringi trilioni 3.7 kuuma mbajeti ya mwaka mũhetũku ya trilioni 2.7.
Total spending will increase from 2.3 billion to 2.3 trillion in financial year 2017-2018 to 2.5 trillion in 2018-2019.
Utiganu wa mwaka mũhetũku mwanya wa ngombo hari mbeca ici wanyiha kuma mbirioni 700 nginyagia mbirioni 500 iria igwethwo kuma mabũrũri mangĩ ma nanja.
Now that the challenges we faced in last 2 years are behind us, we plan to bring down the deficit progressively to ensure that our public debt remains sustainable.
Kuringana na Minister Henry Rotich, budget ino irongoreirie kuguna itugi inya cia thirikari ya Jubilee iria ni hamwe na gukuria iganda, waki wa nyumba na gutigira bururi wina irio njiganu na njagiriru cia kuhunia muingi wayo.
Government will provide the enabling infrastructure, including building industrial sheds. To this end, I have allocated 400 million for the leather industrial park development and 400 million for textile development.
Ona kuri uguo honge mwanya ciagia na igutha kumana na wongerereku wa magoti aritemi-ini ria kugitira aria marekuria thiini wa uthondeki wa indo guku bururi-ini.
Will provide land in Naivasha for potential investors interested in setting up their activities in the special economic zone to benefit from the SGR and cheap geothermal power generated nearby.
Oho, Minister Rotich danashiro kwendekithia mogaruruku ma watho ituri-ini itiganite aria ni hamwe na watho wa marihi niguo income tax law, akiranira gukinyia maendekithia maya mbunge-ini muthia wa mweri ukite.
Small and medium enterprises.
Handu-ini ha metha ya mohoro ya Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Njuguna Wang'ang'a.
Development partners to introduce